This is Michael Good from reapertrades.com. This is your daily trade recap on the 4th of March. So today started out similarly to yesterday, made 400 bucks, and then relatively early in the morning. But then I said, hey, I'm not going to make this not like yesterday, so I'm going to avoid losing $1,400 shorting VSTNQ. It's a good thing. It went up a whole bunch. Actually ended up buying it right at the close for a potential gap up tomorrow. Is that the smartest thing? No. No, it's not going to go on my list of the best trades. It's not going to go on my list of the worst trades. Belm, really beautiful, beautiful breakout. I bought here. Somebody would have made sense to wait a bit until it started to get a little bit of volume right here. Could have gotten just about the same price and then without all the waiting. So tiny percentage profit, but pretty darn predictable. Maybe a gap up tomorrow, but it's a bit of a slow mover, and it's on earnings. Let me bring up the multi-week chart on that. Yeah, so that's just a beautiful breakout today. Just really beautiful. And look at all that volume relative to its average volume. What else? VRML. I just sort of scalped that. And IFLG. Should have taken profits earlier, but this, I mean, there was no volume. Printed at 621, maybe a couple thousand shares, and then it's just in trade, and then I had to hit the offer to get out. And then there was a huge spike, and I scalped that spike for a little bit of money. And that would be it, but I have, what is it, 2,000 shares of MCGI holding overnight in my Thinkorswim account. Let's see if I can bring up a chart of that. No, I don't think I can. Oh yeah, I can. Hold on just a second. Okay, so here's the intraday on MCGI. But it gapped up from like 160 yesterday, and it's just a pump. It closed strong, so I tried to buy right on this dip to like 195. I couldn't get any fills. I mean, look at this abysmal volume here, and I got filled at 207. So I'll make some money, not a ton though, and I'll be selling right near the open like I do with all pumps. So that's it for today. Check me out next time on reapertrades.com. And actually, before you go, just a quick note to those who may not know. If you're trading a stock with a Q on the end, like VSTNQ, Visteon, that means it's in bankruptcy. 99% of those stocks are worth zero. They can trade crazy all the time, but they're eventually going to zero. 1%, or probably less actually, like VRML, may emerge from bankruptcy with the shareholders getting something. But most of the time that doesn't happen. So, but bankrupt stocks can be very, very volatile, so some people trade them a bunch. Okay, that's it. Check me out next time, reapertrades.com.